Ba weep grana weepin bong, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about something that has just happened that is absolutely insane. Xbox has just bought Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion. Yep, that's right, you heard me. Xbox is going to buy Activision Blizzard, the home of World of Warcraft, StarCraft, Overwatch, Call of Duty, and so much more, for $68.7 billion. That is absolutely insane. Everywhere is talking about this now. This was released officially on the Xbox Wire platform, and wow, incredible. Anybody that watches this channel knows that I absolutely love Xbox. I recently made the jump from PlayStation to Xbox, and that was because basically I thought PlayStation weren't being as consumer friendly as I would like them, and I wanted to check out what was going on the Xbox platform. And Game Pass really interested me. So since then, they have just done so much. Bought Bethesda, and now Activision Blizzard is part of the family. Absolutely fantastic. So Phil Spencer announced that Activision Blizzard companies would report to him after the deal has closed. So no time scale has been given for how long this deal is actually going to take. I guess there needs to be some approval as well, because they own a lot, right? There must be some kind of anti-monopoly thing quite going on right now, because they own so much. Like I said, they've bought Bethesda. If you own a PlayStation now, you must be sat there going, right, well, what's left for me?
This is bad comedy.
We also know that recently Activision itself and Blizzard has been in not so great a light, with the likes of Bobby Kotick and some other people who work at that place doing a little bit of sketchy things, to say the least. So it's great to see a light shone back on the games, get them under some new leadership, get rid of the old. Hopefully that this will have a huge clean out of the leadership within that business, and then they'll be really good when they come through. Get the light back on the developers and away from the problems, the challenges that the leadership has faced, and especially Bobby Kotick. So with that light being shone on them, and let's be fair, in not a very good way, now was probably the best time of any for them to sell. Otherwise, from here on in, they could go for a smaller and smaller and smaller price. So $68 billion. Wow. So Spencer has also commented now that Xbox will include many Activision Blizzard games now part of the Xbox gaming service. No word has been made about turning the likes of Call of Duty or other franchises into Xbox exclusives, which is what they did with a lot of Bethesda's stuff. But the fact that we're going to see things now like Tony Hawk, that Tony Hawk game, I've been waiting for ages to play it, but I didn't really want to pay the full price for a remaster, and I was praying that one day it will come to Xbox Game Pass, and now it will come to Xbox Game Pass, which means that I will get the opportunity to play it on my terms. Absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. And let's just shine a light on that $68.7 billion. Does anybody remember what they paid for ZeniMax? $7.5 billion in 2020. Wow. So this is an absolutely huge acquisition, and really shows the power and the might that Xbox has behind it. Because we say Xbox, right? And I think sometimes people forget it's Microsoft Xbox. So it really shows the money that they have got to just throw around and say, you, we're buying you, you, we're buying you. And really, they can buy absolutely anybody within the business and make them part of this Xbox family, and expand the amount of games available on the Xbox platform. now, because when we think about the Xbox platform now, we can't just think of Xbox as the box that sits in your corner. It is now a platform. Game Pass is part of Xbox, it sits on PC, there's also the xCloud to think about, and when we think about PC gaming, I mean, as a console gamer, that's where I predominantly do my gaming, but I do also do some gaming on my gaming PC as well, and my girlfriend definitely does a lot of gaming on the Xbox platform on PC, so this is a great win for them. All those historic StarCraft, Warcraft games of the past, such a win for everybody who's involved in Xbox. So super happy about this, but what do you think has made this happen? Do you think that they have wanted to save the name of Activision here? Is it a savior? You know, Phil Spencer was saying that he was troubled by what he saw and what he was reading and the things that people were saying about there. So was this a Phil Spencer and Xbox saying, Activision, name, good company, bad people, let's save it, bring it over to here, resurrect it like a phoenix from the flames? Or is it something a little bit more sinister? Now maybe sinister is a strong word here, but let's just say trying to create a monopoly if this goes through, because PlayStation are also talking at the moment of having their own version of Game Pass. Now, if Microsoft go around and buy all the companies, who are they going to have on this service? So this is one of my thoughts on this, is like, okay, so we own Bethesda, we buy Activision, we already partner with EA, and there's the Ubisoft stuff that's coming as well. Who else is there for PlayStation? What if they now went and bought Square Enix next, or even outright bought Ubisoft or EA? Who'd be left for PlayStation to have on their service? And then there's only one game in town, Game Pass. And again, is that a good thing? It's a good thing if you're an Xbox subscriber already, but I don't know. Does it still drive forward the future of gaming if Xbox owns everything? Does it just become the Disney of gaming? So let me know your thoughts on this one down in the comments. I am super excited for this as an Xbox game. I catch myself thinking, do I want Xbox to be the Disney of gaming? So let me know your thoughts on this one down in the comments. Are you for it? Are you against it? Was this to save the Activision name or just create some trouble for Sony? Let me know your thoughts on this one down in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, in a bit. Peace.